Hey guys, Joester here. So summer is here and of course we want to spend more time outside. Now maybe with some friends or family right by the pool, or maybe you just want to take your projector at a friend's house. However your situation is, this screen is perfect for that. So this is the Yardmaster 2 WraithVeil Dual by Elite Screens. It is a portable outdoor front and rear projector screen, which means that it can be projected from either the front or the rear and still provide a clear, bright picture. Now it is available in 100 inch, 120, 135, 150, and 180 inches. The lightweight aluminum frame allows it to be set up in minutes. Everything comes in a soft padded carrying bag. I have the 180 inch model, which comes with a bag that has wheels and a telescope handle for easier handling. Now it also comes with height adjustable AT legs for different height positions. Same with the 150 inch model. Now the 100 inch and 135 screens have fixed positions, but there is an optional leg extension kit available that provides an additional extra height, which allows presentations to be seen in large groups at a greater distance. Now the hinges and pins are made of stainless steel and will not rust or corrode over time. Now the setup process is super simple and intuitive. You basically extend the frame and make sure that all the corners are locked. And the same goes for the legs. Then you attach the legs to the frame and secure them with the provided locks. You can install them in different positions depending on the height you want. The 180 inch model also has a center leg to improve stability and support. Now for extra security, you can also use the included rope, top frame eye bolts, and ground stakes to prevent the screen from tilting. Now be sure to use the screen only during light breeze. It is not meant to withstand heavy winds. The screen provided is Elite Screens WraithVeil Dual, which is compatible with ultra short throw, and standard projectors, and allows you to project a picture from front or rear. There is no need to swap the projector. You can enjoy a clear, colorful picture from either side of the screen with high fidelity and quality. Now from here you start installing the screen by snapping the buttons onto the frame studs. I suggest to start by the corners. Now once installed, the material on the frame will become nice and flat. And you're done. The WraithVeil Dual material is bright and it has a wide viewing angle that allows audience to sit pretty much anywhere. It works with 3D, 4K HDR content, but what I like the most is the ability to enjoy content from either front or rear of the screen. So if you're looking for a screen that is easy to set up, easy to carry, that you can take pretty much anywhere, the Yardmaster 2 WraithVeil Dual is the best option.